we could have played this music all day, all
listen,
night.
Man, yeah, listen for your coming.
Tomorrow, Monday morning.
Listen for your squeezy night call.
No,
Come make we walk with Ja.
no jazzbo.
This music is the heart of the 1970s. And, you know, when you talk about an artist that defined, you know, the genre reggae music. In fact, I will advance the argument. I know Dr. Howard going to challenge me with it, but I'm going to take him on nonetheless. This is dancehall music. Eh?
No, but it is dancehall because it was music that was being played in the dancehall. You know.
Sugar Miner may have taken it a few years later and stamp on thing, but this is dancehall music. We played a song where you hear Tubbys' echo chamber ratcheting its way through the song, right? That's dancehall, right? And one of the features of Horace Andy at the time is first of all, he was well known on the dancehall circuit for making specials for sound system.
Even to this day,
Absolutely. That's where the money is.
Of his income right now.
They're making specials. But you're going back to middle of 1970s where that became his moniker, if you will. Every sound system, in fact, you cannot consider yourself as any kind of sound of any repute if you don't have a couple Horace Andy dub plate in your collection. And around the same time too, he had been doing work not only with Tubbys, he was freelancing, basically working with, you know, just about every producer who would have him. But he spent a lot of time with your boy, Bonnie Lee. Mm-hmm. And Bonnie Lee, if you remember, Bonnie Lee had a direct connection with King Tubbys.
Yep.
And they were in that middle 1970s, beginning to press out.
The home of the flying cymbals.
The flying cymbals. They were doing the same echo chamber because Tubbys was experimenting with, you know, how to manipulate the sounds throughout the recording. And so Horace Andy fitted in completely because his tone, his lyrics, the kind of beat, he almost determined the kind of track that the musician's going to lay down because of the tone, his tonal quality that he represented. So this is the quintessential dancehall singer, and I will stand by that. Who want to challenge me?
Yeah, he went on before his passing, went on and did a little thing with Freddie McKay, Talking Love, you know, and then did another song, Beware of a Smiling Face, Better Collie, I've Got to Get Away, Youth of Today, which was a monster hit, especially in England. But let's kick it off with that duet with Freddie McKay.
Hi there. If you enjoyed that clip, go on over to our website at yaawdmedia.com where you can watch the entire broadcast at your leisure. And while you're there, why don't you check out our other reggae music features? And before you leave, pick up some of our Jamaican reggae merchandise, and hey, don't forget to tell your friends.
Garth, otherwise known as Big G.
My name is Richie Blackford.